Good morning, everyone. We're back. We're back online. We are here in Sicily. We arrived yesterday, and actually, one of my girlfriend's relatives stocked up our fridge with some goodies, like Sicilian goodies. And actually, we got our own homemade white wine. Check it out. Vino. I'll try that one. Okay, we're gonna grab actually a nice Sicilian traditional breakfast over here. I'm gonna show you what they eat over here in Sicily for breakfast.
This is cappuccino.
Oh, what is that sweet thing?
Just some sweetener.
No, this one.
Oh, this one is like a pastry with some cream inside. Chantilly cream, we call it.
Okay. Is it very sweet?
No, it's delicious. You need to try it.
Okay, I'll try it. And
You
what
cannot
is this?
try it. This is a traditional pastry that we eat with granita. You should actually try. Can I do it for you?
Yeah, sure.
So I want to show you.
Yeah.
You need to break this bit. This is the best bit.
Oh, yeah.
And this is the little. This is the best bit. Try it.
Alright.
I'll film you. Give me. Give me.
No.
And then take a sip of granita, or with the spoon. With the spoon.
The spoon?
Yeah. It's made with fresh squeezed lemon juice.
That's nice. I feel like if it's really hot outside, this is perfect.
Yeah.
Because that is kind of like refreshing.
Certain types of granita, not the one lemon, obviously, because it doesn't go with dairy.
Yeah.
You eat it with whipped cream on the top. So my favorite granita is a coffee granita. It's basically like an iced coffee with a.
Yeah, it's pretty cool actually.
Yeah.
Just gonna show you a bit Cefalu around. I've been here actually 15-16 years ago. I've been here with my grandmother. Now I'm back here again. I'm gonna show you the Cefalu. I didn't bring my swimming goggles with me this time, so just have to swim here. I didn't expect the water is going to be actually that warm. It's like 19 degrees or something. Maybe less than 19. I think it's around 19. Like a typical Latvian summer type of temperature in water. It's not too bad, to be honest. For me it's fine, but it does look like a lot of people are swimming here. But I love it. We are in Syracuse, city Syracuse. We're walking now to a little town called Ortigia.
this spot was definitely the best seafood risotto I ever had in my life. Like, no joke, like they're so good. It's like the fish stock was amazing with prawns, like langoustines and shrimps, clams, mussels, like so good. Definitely, guys, if you come to Sicily, try this place in Syracuse. It's so good, man. Okay, let's give it a go. Smells good. Doesn't matter if I'm driving or not. It's okay. One glass is okay. Everyone is just having at least 1 or 2 glasses here and then just driving after. Okay, let's try this. Oh shit, I think there was a mouse. Really nice, quite light. Vino bianco, so cute.